Patagonia is the end of the world. One of the most rugged and most beautiful places I've ever been to in my life. And it's also the land of the gauchos. They're really like horse whisperers in terms of gaining the trust of a horse. So that horse will be their partner in this very rugged endeavor of herding cattle and navigating these extraordinary mountains and streams. The natural history of the region is not only rugged, but the vegetation is very low in nutrients. So on these enormous ranches, they have to let the animals roam free. And the job of the gaucho is to find them and bring them back and herd them. Patagonia is also home to the 8th wonder of the world. Torres del Paine is one of the most beautiful places on Earth. As a photographer, I want them to understand the strength of the entire landscape of Patagonia. And it's so close that you feel dwarfed. In addition to this breathtaking landscape, there's a healthy wildlife population too. With any wildlife work, you have to be able to move quietly. And then when you raise that camera, to have it be silent is an incredible gift. That combination of a rugged camera that is also light enough to just strap over your shoulder is a real gift. The S Series is just the perfect creative tool.